Here it is. Hello, silly boy. First thing I gotta do is clean it. But this little thing here has to come out. These things here, it broke here, but I'm just gonna take these out. We don't need those in there. I gotta clean it. I think I'm gonna paint it black. Okay, here we go. I put the maps all down. I'm gonna put the maps all down, and then I'm gonna rip up my girls and put them over the maps. And I think that's gonna look really cool. And it's gonna look good with this color. But if you can see there's this big, right here, that color. So I just so happen to have some of this. Look at that. Does that match up or what? Close enough. Those are secret compartment doors, so I can pop it out and just paint it and spray it. Because everywhere else looks nice. The paint job looks good. So, alright, wait and see. Okay, so I changed my mind. And this thing is so crooked. So let's see here. I'm going to jelly plate. I'm going to take this collage paper, which is some Amazon shipping paper that came to me, I think it was. I have deli paper, but that's not going to work because the paint peels off the deli paper. So I think I'll be able to collage with this without any worries of the paint going anywhere, because it's like a nice paper. It's not waxy. It's just a nice thick paper. And so I'm going to use my new jelly plate, which is a nice big one. And I'm going to use this with some gold and some teal. But then I'm going to use this one to test and see if I can use this acrylic paint right here, because this matches. And I'm going to see if I can use this one, because I don't know if I can use this paint or not, but I'm going to give it a try on this one out here about. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this thing kills me. I took it out. And even the paint job on here is not very good, but it is everywhere else. It looks good on the sides and everything. So those are good. I had to paint a little bit on the top, but I'm going to paint pour over this right here. I'm going to paint pour right over that. I got my colors here. I got this green and teal and that green. So I'm going to put some white in there too. Alright. Oops. Okay, here's my colors. Oh, my TV's on. Here's my colors. I got silicone in the white. I use this silicone here. Silicone. I got the gold. So these are going to be pretty. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put this down. I did this, I should have taped it down on all around the sides because I didn't want it to go on the sides, and it ended up being a major project because I didn't tape it off, but I didn't really know I was gonna do that, I don't think. I was so indecisive with this project about what I was gonna do, I changed my mind like 10 times. I think I'm going to use this deli paper to swipe with. Let's see here. Let's get our colors down. Here's our teal. I'm just going to put it at the top. Alright. Oh, I see cells already. Alright. I want cells. I want to see cells. Here's a pretty metallic green. I love this metallic green. I love metallics, man. I love metallics. And I think these are going to look good together. I hope so. Oh, that looks good. That's going to be nice. That's going to be nicey nice. Nicey nice. Oh. Alright, now put our gold in here. And they all have a nice, this one's a little thick, but I wonder if I should put silicone in here too. So this one's just going to be drizzled. Whoops, no, maybe not. I guess there is quite a bit here. Even though it was a little cup, it still had a lot in there. I see cells starting to form. Alright, so I didn't stir my white yet, and I got silicone, and I gotta stir my white. Really good. This is where the cells are gonna come in to play here. It is raining something terrible outside. Alright, the silicone isn't mixing up very well. Whoa. Alright, let's see. Okay. Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm gonna swipe. We are going to swipe. Let's see. Ready? I'm gonna wiggle it a little bit. It gets over the whole thing. Look at those cells. Oh, good. Oh, I gotta get over here. Gotta get a little bit of cells. There's so many cells. It came out so awesome. I love that. That's what I love about paint pouring. It is worth the mess sometimes to just see those satisfying results. So I want it just on the end, in the inside. I think that's going to be cool. So this is going to have to not move. I'm going to take a lighter to it. Alright. I'm kind of getting somewhere here. Some places are too thick, man. Okay. I think I did this just right, man. Oh, it's starting to drip a little on the sides over here. I think it is going to come down. It's going to be hard not to. Alright, let's see what happens when I use my lighter. Where is it? Where's the lighter? Oh my god, where's the ladder? Where's the ladder? Ay, ay, ay. Create some more cells here. It's dripping down here. I think I'm going to let that drip down a little bit because it looks good. And it's forgiving when it looks good, even though it's not supposed to be there. These cells look great. Okay. Pretty dang good. I don't like how that's dripping down. It looks good though. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to mess with it. I'm hoping it doesn't move down anymore. Can you see it right here? Should I wipe it? I don't know. I don't know. Damn it. Oh. I think I should wipe it. I think I should wipe it. Alright, I'm gonna get this paint right here. It's showing, oh no, it's selling up on the sides because I put Floetrol in here. That was a big mistake. Oh no. I didn't even think of that. I got snake eyes. I was gonna thin it out really good. Okay. That's it. Leave it alone. Let it dry. I think that'll work. I think that's gonna work. Yep, I think so. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like the way this came out, but I'm gonna keep going and put the maps and the mermaids on there. I'm just gonna keep going with it. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep going. I think this is done. I think this is done. I think I like it just the way it is. But I honestly think it's gonna need some resin. And that's gonna be a nightmare. I don't want to resin this. I think I need some really good heavy duty polyurethane would be better. I don't know. I don't know. What do I do? Drilling holes in the side, which was very awkward. There wasn't a lot of space. but I made handles, and it's nice and abstract, lots of layers and different stencils I used, and I used some sponge for the gold and some the collage paper, the mermaid paper. I got from my girlfriend. Diana loves colors. Diana gifted me those beautiful mermaids. And up a little bit here. I used a heavy duty polyurethane. I think it came out good. Here we go. We got the handles on there. Now, when you're at the band shell and you want to buy this thing, all you do,
wow.
walk away with it. New hinges, new handles. Woohoo. Those came out nice. A little touch-up paint and it'll be fine.
When you picked it up, did it feel even?
It felt good.
Okay.
It felt nice and easy to pick up and walk away with.
All right.
All right.
Good.
Here it is. Hello, silly boy. That's my boy. Silly boy. Here we go. I put handles on it. I love the handles. So now it's easier to pick up. And I put brand new hinges. It's got brand new hinges on it. The other ones were broken. I gotta vacuum this out. What do you think? Nice and shiny. Okay, say goodbye. See you in the next one. See you in the next one.